Welcome back guys to another video, and today we're gonna deep dive on how to get your CSV file from Pionex so you have all the transaction history on the bots, on the spot trades, and so on and so forth. So follow along, it's very easy. Now, if you browse to pionex.com, you will land on the main page and you have to probably log in. I have done that before, so I'm prepared here. And all we have to do to get our CSV and the data from Pionex is go to our wallet, click on our wallet, and then browse to the left side to transaction history. If you're here, you have the option to select the export time. You can select last year, this year, or freely select the time period. I selected this year, and then I am clicking submit, and then I will have the last application record here, which is prepared so I can download it straight away. If you click on that, it will download. I have prepared that because it takes some time. It will take around 5 minutes until the download is prepared for you, so you have to bring a little bit of time. And also I used all my export times for this month. So be prepared. If you have to export a few times a month, then you will have only limited amount and have to wait until next month until you can export the data again. Also here you can enjoy 10% off on CoinTracking with Pionex. If you click that, you will directly be leaded to CoinTracking so you can generate a new account. As you see, to obtain the CSV from the exchange was really easy, and also doing the tax report with CoinTracking is done in a few simple steps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer every single question there is. Also, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.